Hello everyone, welcome to Code Speaks. In this video, we will see how to convert Jupyter IPYNB file into PDF file. For that, this is the Python programming. I mean the basics of Python. So I want to convert this into the PDF file. So that you have to click on this file option over here. Just click on that. Just click on that download as. First convert into HTML format. It takes a few seconds to convert into a HTML format. After converting to HTML format, just click on that. So this is the HTML format of that thing. Just go to the Google browser and search for convert HTML to PDF, right? On enter. Click on the required HTML format you want. Click on in this case I click on this one link. Just upload the HTML file which you have been downloaded. In this case, this is the HTML folder that have been downloaded. Click on that. Just open. Now convert HTML to PDF. Just click on that. It takes a few seconds to convert IPYNB file. In our case, it's an HTML format. Just click on that. Yeah. Now the IBF file is converted into HTML format. Just click on download section over here. Now you can see the file have been downloaded in. Now we can see that file have been downloaded in PDF format. In this way, we can download IPB file into PDF format. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye. This is Naveen signing off.